Hey parents, Dan here from the House of Mouth. Sometimes we know it's really hard with kids learning how to brush and floss, particularly when they're young. Sometimes taste can really turn them off. Sometimes just the whole process of brushing and flossing can seem really arduous, not only for you, but also for them. So here are 3 quick, simple tips to help keep your little ones smile really healthy and most importantly, happy. So first of all, make brushing fun. Play a 2-minute song or get your child simply to run through the alphabet once for the top teeth and once for the bottom. And that makes sure it's a really simple way that they're brushing for the full 2 minutes, a minute for the top and a minute for the bottom, morning and evening, every single day. Use a kid's toothpaste and brush. So something that is flavored, so usually away from the traditional mint flavored toothpaste because that can be really harsh, minty and spicy, particularly for young kids. And use a brush that's usually their favorite character or something fun rather than just a traditional plain colored toothbrush that you may pick up from the supermarket. We have at the House some really deliciously flavored toothpaste such as BumblCo, which is melon and strawberry flavored, and we also have some really fun toothbrushes as well, some which even play music, which help with those real youngsters becoming stimulated as well. Don't forget to clean between your kids' teeth. Although they may not be able to do this themselves, it's still really important that we're cleaning between our children's teeth because even tiny teeth need help. When we're brushing our kids' teeth or when your children are brushing, they're only actually brushing 60% of the tooth surfaces. That means 40% of the surfaces of their teeth are actually being missed if they're only brushing alone each day. The great thing is floss sticks or soft interdental brushes designed particularly for tiny mouths and kids help make that job so much easier. Jack and Jill Fairy Floss Picks are a really amazing product because they're strawberry flavored, so they taste delicious and their character is really fun for kids. And then last but not least, consistency is key. Always brush twice a day in morning and evening and reinforce that with your children because when you start early on, it enforces those great oral care habits early on in life, and that will mean that they have those great habits for the rest of their life. Overall, keep it simple, positive and fun, and that ensures kids will stick with it and they'll buy in, understanding the importance of it. And that's it, 3 simple tips for happy, healthy kids' smiles. So if you're looking for some great children's oral care products, which are a little bit better than the traditional spicy, minty, boring old ones that you may get from the supermarket, then check out our range of children's oral care products today. We have everything from toothbrushes and toothpaste to disclosing products and even tooth-friendly treats.